In an average week, the networks bring you 6 made-for-TV movies. Dull. 18 hours of sitcoms. Ditto. 35 hours of infomercials. Insane. 44 hours of soap operas. Very dull. 62 hours of reruns. I saw that. And 3.2 days of commercials. Now, it's payback time.
Oh, what do you mean?
You see, there are only 3 of them.
You mean the networks?
Yeah, the old-style networks, and they're fading away. But there are 30 million of us.
Yeah, everyone with a camcorder and a VCR.
And now we've got a powerful new weapon against blah, blah, blah vision.
What's the new weapon?
It's new software.
Yeah.
It's new hardware.
Hey.
It's the next generation of the most successful video tool of all time.
A whole new video toaster.
It'll be the end of blah, blah, blah television. The VideoToaster 4000.
Toaster 4000 takes the power away from the network and gives it to the people. With Toaster 4000, we can make television better than the networks, and we don't have to answer to anyone.
My name is Penn Jillette, and I'm more than half of Penn and Teller, a comedy magic duo. Go out, you buy a camera, you buy the Toaster 4000, a video deck or two, tape is cheap, and the Toaster 4000 is cheap. If you were going to buy all this stuff to make all this video the way they do it on networks, it would cost you $378,000. With the toaster, when you're all done, it's going to be a few grand.
The first time I saw the Toaster 4000, I was blown away. I've never seen anything like that, ever. It was incredible. I knew I had to have one. They told me it would let you make videos just like the networks. That all seemed really cool, but I knew that with a Toaster 4000, I could do more than that. I don't have to make videos just like the networks. I mean, let's face it, the networks suck.
As you can see, the video effects in the Toaster 4000 blow away all the old dinosaur equipment.
Left them all behind.
But there's more to making television than cutting-edge effects.
Like what?
You need broadcast quality graphics. And Toaster 4000 delivers.
Where do you start?
Start with Toaster Paint to blend images together and create cool backgrounds.
Neat.
With Toaster Paint, retouching reality is a snack.
I like easy.
Then add titles to your creation in the new Toaster 4000 Character Generator.
CG.
Toaster CG has been rewritten from the ground up. Now, titling is as easy as choosing the font, typing in some text, and then putting it right where you need it. But don't stop there. Go ahead and play. Play with the shadows, borders, colors, or sizes, anywhere, anytime. Then jazz things up with 16 million color brushes from Lightwave or Toaster Paint. Toaster CG even has the power to make your titles and graphics as transparently clear as you'd like.
Nice.
In fact, Toaster CG has more than 100 new features.
Like what?
Take a look.
What else is new?
There's a new Lightwave that'll launch your videos into another dimension.
Light years ahead.
With more than 250 new features, it's now the most powerful 3D animation system in the world. You can create anything you can imagine with advanced tools, like spline patches, beveling, and 3D text from PostScript. The new Lightwave is full of stunning breakthroughs that'll give your animations amazing realism and lifelike enthusiasm. But this Lightwave is much more than radical new features. Now it's up to 10 times faster, and it's been completely redesigned to make 3D easier for everyone. So get ready to watch your animations spring to life and your flying logos soar.
Like a good logo should.
Pretty incredible, huh?
Yeah.
Hot new software and all new hardware.
Better hardware?
You bet. The redesigned Toaster 4000 has new custom chips that take advantage of a powerful new partner, the state-of-the-art Amiga 4000. Together, they add up to some awesome video power, from mind-blowing new kinds of effects to user-adjustable video timing and an even better Genlock encoder. All that, plus a stunning new breakthrough. You're now watching Toaster 4000 play back this 3D animation in real time without an expensive single-frame VCR.
Well, that's incredible.
So you can see why we say the VideoToaster 4000 is pushing the revolution to the next level.
And I'm ready.
Faster, better, and easier. Now the only limit is your imagination.
Time to begin.
So unleash your potential. Infiltrate the networks. Make money. Make a statement. And whatever kind of television you make it yours with the VideoToaster 4000.